Hi everyone, my name is Jordan with FCP Insight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add and edit time cards in FCP Insight's Business Control Center. So in your left-hand side menu here, you're going to want to go to Staff, My Page, and that brings you to your Update Staff Member page where you're able to add a time card or go into an existing time card and edit. So for demo purposes, I'm going to add a new time card. Now it prompts me to select my period ending date, so we're going to do the 18th. Add that, and now I've got my time card ready to update. So as you can see in your columns here, you've got your date, time in, time out. If you need to track which state you're performing the work in, there's a drop-down menu to select the state. The code column is what you're adding your time card for, so for installs, service, lunches, etc. In this column here, you will select the job or service or inspection number, and then in work type, you'll select what you were doing on that job, service, or inspection. So let's just add a couple here to show you how to use it. So we'll do a Monday, and a time in, we'll do 7 a.m. and we'll do it to 2 p.m. We'll do Washington State install for the code, and then we'll select an existing job. So let's do 11015, and for the work type, let's say we were trimming out devices. So when I click add here, it gives me my time entry that I just created, and it tells me the total number of hours. And as I continue to add items to my time card, those hours add up and your total hours can be seen down here. So I'm going to add one more. Let's do Tuesday, 7 to 10, Washington. Let's just say we were in the office, maybe doing paperwork. So there's no job number or service number associated with in office because you weren't on a project. So it allows you to enter in text here. So let's just say we were doing paperwork in office, add that. And my 3 hours of in-office paperwork have been added now, giving me a total of 10 hours on the week so far. All right, so let's go to the top of the screen here where you'll see a couple check boxes. So this first one here is your waiver box. Right now it says lunches not taken are waived by mutual consent of myself and the company. This text can be configured to whatever you want it to say, and you can use that as your waiver. And then a complete for the week checkbox. So when I check complete for the week, then I cannot edit my time card anymore. Since I have admin privileges, I'm able to uncheck this. But as your field technicians, anyone who uses these time cards, when they check that box, their time card is complete. They cannot uncheck it. It goes into a manager approval state. Since again, I am admin, I get to approve this time card, but assume that this gets sent to a manager approval report where managers can then go in and look at their employees' time cards, and they can approve them or not approve them. So if I clicked not approve, if I was the manager, it allows me to add notes, manager review comments saying, hey, fix this time, this is inaccurate, or something needs to change. And then as the time card employee, I can go in, make the changes, fix them, and then I can add some notes. And then again, manager comes in, sees it was fixed, make sure that that's fixed, and then they can go ahead and approve that time card. We will make a video on how to do the manager time card approvals and what that process looks like. Essentially, you access a report that gives you all the time cards that need to be reviewed for the week, and you're able to click into each individual's time card and essentially go through that process where you can approve them, not approve them, add notes, etc. So that will come in a later video. So that's all we have for how to add and edit time cards. I hope that this video was useful. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process in FCP Insight's Business Control Center. Very easy to do. There is not a steep learning curve to it. And as always, if you have any questions or you want more information, our information is on the end card at the end of this video. So please check us out, send us an email, and we're happy to help. Thank you for watching.